Hello guys, my name is Shehzad and you're watching my YouTube channel Skill Set with Shehzad. Guys, one of my subscribers, a university student, he asked me how to make a multi-layer switch networking. So layer 3 switch, we saw that router is doing a routing capabilities, but there is a layer 3 switch we call L3 switch, which is also giving a duties for switching, as well as we can turn into anytime as a routing capable switch as well. So it will provide routing capabilities also. So let's make a lab for the multi-layer switching. First we will take one router here, and then we'll make a scenario for as a internet. Okay, and we'll make this one as a ISP, and then we'll create our 3 branches. You can say 3 VLANs, different VLANs, and we'll bring into picture our multi-layer switch. Okay, so here we go, here and here. So I'll differ the different type of colors for the VLANs, so you can see different colors of VLANs. Okay, so these are our VLANs. Okay, and we have a multi-layer switch, we have a ISP router. Let's connect this guy, and we have two to our PCs. And okay, and we'll give our VLANs. This is VLAN 2, this is VLAN 3, and this is VLAN 4. Okay, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. This is our multi-layer switch 0. Okay, we'll connect this one with ISP to our multi-layer switch. Here is a gigabit, here is a fast Ethernet. So I will connect my own this one. So we'll connect our own state-over cable from gigabit this to gigabit 0/0. Okay, so both we are in gigabit, and others will connect first here. Even though we can connect because we are doing a multi-layer, so I'll delete my switches also, so we'll directly connect the PCs. That's why we'll use a router and switch together. Okay, 1 is connected here. Okay, and 2 is connected here. 3 is connected here. And 4th is connected here. 5th is connected here. And then 6th is connected here. Okay, we are good. And then auto connection, we can do it here. It's gigabit to gigabit. So we'll come here till our ISP. So this is VLAN 3. We'll go for IP addresses. So we will give the range 192.168.3.0/24 and this is VLAN 2. 192 is 192.168.2.0/24. This is VLAN 4. We'll give IP address here. So similarly, this is the networks, and we will have our IP addresses for this PC. 192.168.2.2, because I will use one as a, from here I will use one here. Our SVI for VLAN 2 switch virtual interface will be 1. That's why I'm using 2 here and 3 here. Okay, similarly we'll go 3.2 here, guess the 3, and the VLAN 3 SVI will be 1. Okay, so here we will go 3. Okay, similarly we'll go for this PC, which is 5. It is 4 VLAN, so I will change to 4, and here will be 5, and SVI will be VLAN 4 SVI will be 1. Okay, these are the SVIs will work on this VLAN side. Okay, all 3 VLAN side. This one will work. Okay, so we'll bring it here, and now my router side I'll give another IP address 10.10.10.1/24, and this gigabit side 10.10.10.2/24. Okay, so because this will be a routed interface in multi-layer switch, and here is our ISP router. Let's configure ISP router. So we'll go no enable config t, host name will be ISP, and we will enable this interface gigabit 0/0/1 interface gigabit 0/0/0 IP address 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.0 no shut. We have enable. And one more thing, we need to give a default route, so everything hit here, it should be, it's have to send back to it. So we'll give IP default see if we have a default route here. Default gateway IP default dash gateway IP address is 10.10.10. Default gateway. We can go for default network flags. Or you can go a static route also. IP route 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0 everything, and we need to give gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 is our okay, it's complete. So everything will hit back. So this router should know where it's traffic coming, and I'll send it back to it. Okay, so this router is ready, and we will go for write memory, show IP route. One static route we have here, default gateway already set it, and this is the one directly attached network. Okay, that's great. And we can configure this one also for this side. So let's complete this side, or let's do this side first and then we'll configure the other one. Okay, let's make this PC the IP address desktop here, 192.168.2.2, and gateway is 192.168.2.1. Close this PC here. Okay, 2.3, 2.1 is the gateway, which will be this one, SVI. Similarly for this PC, (3.2) gateway will be 3.1. Okay, and similarly this PC, (3.3) and gateway will be 3.1. Similarly for this PC, it's a VLAN 4. Okay, fine, and gateway is 1. Here we will give 3. Gateway is 1. Okay, so this PC is 3. Okay, 3.3. These are okay. So these are good. IP addresses are good with the PCs. Let's create the VLAN and configure this one. Okay, we'll go for no, enable conf-d. Okay, let's configure this interface later. First we'll go for this, the VLAN, our 1 and 2. 1 and 2 interface is in VLAN 2. So I'll create all 2, 3, 4 VLANs. So VLAN 2, VLAN 3, VLAN 4, exit. Okay, do show interface status. You can see here 6 is connected. First and 2 is VLAN 2. Interface range fast 0/1 to 2 is switchboard mode access. Switchboard access VLAN 2. Similarly, I'll go other two, interface range fast 0/3 and 4. Switchboard mode access. Switchboard access VLAN 3, which is our this VLAN. Now I will go for last 5 and 6, which is connected to VLAN 4. Come back, interface range fast 0/5 and 6, switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 4. So no shot. Hopefully all is in right memory. Configure show interface status. So you can see now the first 2 computer is in VLAN 2, other 2 is in VLAN 3, and 5 and 6 is in VLAN 4. So let's see if this guy can ping this guy, or this guy can ping this guy. ipconfig. See, the IP address is 4.3, ping 192.168, and we are going to ping 2.2, this computer. Enter. It will not, and it should not, because we haven't completed our configuration. The two more configurations, because right now this PC is saying for pinging this one, how come if he cannot reach even to his gateway? He should reach to his gateway, right? He should reach to his gateway 4.1. Even it cannot ping to his gateway, how come he will do the other side? So let's configure the SVIs. These are the SVIs which will be the gateway for all the computers on from according to their VLANs. Okay, we'll go here. Here we can see show IP interface brief. There is no IP is configured, no SVI is configured. So we will configure SVIs. Interface VLAN 2 is up. IP address is 192.168.2.1, which is we already reserved as a gateway here. And enter. We'll say no shut. Exit. We'll go interface VLAN 3. IP address 192.168.3.1. 255.255.255.0, no shut. And then the fourth SVIs will create interface VLAN 4, IP address 192.168.4.1, 255.255.255.255.0. Enter. Oops, sorry. Enter. No shut. Okay, now we'll see if I will write the memory show IP interface brief. Let's see our all four interfaces up and with according to the VLANs. Now let's see if this guy can ping to his gateway. Yeah, he's pinging his gateway. So we can see if it is going to that PC which is on the other side, this way. ARP is learning, listening, and then let's see it will go to there or not. Okay, so we created our SVIs, but the inter-VLAN routing is still not working. We'll check if we have enabled our IP routing commands. Show run. Here, IP routing we haven't enabled, so how it will work? So one command to enable to give switch routing capabilities, we say IP routing, enter, exit, and write memory, save my configurations. I'll ping again. Here we go. Okay, so IP routing is enabled. The PC's VLANs pinging to each other's. Now let's see if this guy can ping to ISP router. One. Destination host unreachable. Let's see if we have configured this interface. Okay, show interface status. This is our gigabit 0/1. We haven't configured. Conf T interface gigabit 0/1. First we will say no switch port, because by default it's a switch port. We'll make it as a routing port, so we can give a IP address. We'll say no switch port. Okay, this goes down and it's bring up. Now we can give a IP address on this port. 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.0, no shut, and write our memory. Let's see if this guy can reach to the ISP. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's reaching the ISP. See guys, so now This is multi-layer switching we have enabled, and there is that the guys can ping to other interface as well as, sorry, for the ISP, and for the other guys as well. Like we can ping this one, inter VLAN also, they are pinging. Like let's go for 3.2, this guy from here to here. So this is our multi-layer switching, which we have getting reply now. So multi-layer switching we have done. There is a switch capable for the switching as well as capable for the routing. So hopefully you like my video, guys. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.